Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to get all the tech equipment up and running for a service on Sundays at the office. So the first thing we want to do is go over by the board and this big box, the rack right here. So you want to make sure this power strip is on. And that's plugged into right here. So we want to turn this on. Okay, that's powering on. That powers all the microphones and all the wireless systems. And then, once we've got that going, we'll need to turn on the board, which is this switch back here. And once we've got that, we're going to go over to our scenes, which is right over here. Press view. And then we want to use this button, the side button to the right, to go over to scenes. You can see we have a couple of different settings in here. We'll just use the church office one. So right here you can see it says load right here. So you just push down on that knob and it'll ask you if you want to load the scene. You press yes, which is this button right here. Okay, the scene is loaded, and we can turn up the volume so we have volume coming through. It's this one right here. And then there's also all the different mute buttons, or if you want to unmute certain vocals or the pastor or anything like that. Okay, so that's it for the board right now. We're going to go over to the speaker and turn that on. The reason why you want to turn on the speaker after the board is because it will cause a pop if you do it the other way around. So it's better to do the board first and then the other speaker. Next part is this power strip right here. And there's a little button on the side. You can switch that on. That powers all the TVs and the cameras and all that. So we can turn on the TV. Just button right there. And then the other button is right here. Okay, and then once we've got those TVs on, we're going to turn on the cameras. So it's power switch right there. And I'll start powering on. And this one, you just slide it forward at the top. And we are all set. Okay, and since the video switcher is also plugged into that same power strip, it should be already turned on. So now we've got all that on. The Lyrics computer will be plugged into this cable right here and this one right here. This one is the safety screen, the regular size HDMI, and the other one is to the stage display. So that's what you'll have coming out of the monitors. And then also we'll turn on the display for Lyrics, the safety screen for the worship team. So that'll start turning on. And we want to go to HDMI 1. Oops, I just turned off. 1 second. Okay. HDMI 1. Okay, and you'll see that it's ready for the Lyrics computer to be plugged in. Okay, so that's basically it for turning these things on. Next, you'll want to go over to the encoder. So that's Resi right here. So there's a little power button right here. Just click that and it'll start to power up. It'll take about a minute or so before it makes like a beeping sound, and then it's ready to go. And that one is scheduled to turn on when we have service, and that can be scheduled from anywhere since it's you can do it over the internet. So now that we've got that going, we want to go over to this power strip right here and turn this on. This has a piano and everything else on it. We also got the lights on it back there. That'll illuminate the backgrounds. And now that we've got all that on, we can move on to the light back here. You can see that one right there. You can just plug it into the wall, and it should be already aimed to the right spot. So that takes care of just about everything in the office, and that's it.